Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to set up this Anker Soundcore portable speaker. Here's everything that comes in the box. It does have a cable that we need to charge it with. It is micro USB. That's how we're going to charge it. So we're going to plug that in. It will only plug in one way to charge it. The short end goes towards the Anker sign. If you try to go the other way, it won't go. So just plug it in. Now the other end of this cable is USB-A. You've got to plug it into a wall charger. So here it's going to have, there's the battery status light that lets us know that it's charging. So when the battery is fully charged, that little LED light will go off. And you want to make sure it's 5 volts, 1 amp is what you're putting into it on that cable. Okay, so let's go over dimensions really quick. So it's about 6.5 inches left to right, front to back. It's about 1 3/4. Height-wise, about 2 1/8. Now it does have this like nice rubbery feel to it. It feels very well made. We've got buttons on top, and we've got like lights and different things on the side here, and we got some lights here. So let's turn it on. There's a power button all the way to the left with a circle. You're gonna hit that to turn it on. There's a blue light that's flashing. That means we're in pairing mode. There's a pairing button all the way on the right. Volume left or right, and then in the middle is a play or pause button. Now this can connect via Bluetooth to your phone or tablet, but you can also have like a headphone jack that comes out here on the side. Yeah, over here on the right, that's the aux in. At the very bottom, there's a microphone, so you can answer phone calls with this. You'll hear it through this, and you can talk through that. Okay, so under Bluetooth settings, you're going to see Anker Soundcore. We're going to press on that to connect my iPhone to it. Okay, so now it's connected. That blue light is steady. That means my phone is connected to it. Okay, so I've got my phone connected to it. If I turn the volume up on my phone, it also turns the volume up on this. But I can also use the volume here. I would hit the switch. And I can pause it. Okay, so if I want to turn it off, I'm just going to press and hold the power button. Then it's going to kind of make that sound and turn off. Now, when I turn this back on, it automatically connects to the last device it was connected to. There. Simple, that it went steady, that means it's connected. If I want to unpair that, I'll press the Bluetooth button again. So a flashing red means you have low power. Now it does say the Soundcore will automatically turn off after 10 minutes if no device is connected. And here's a diagram of all the different buttons on it and connections. Now the play button, if we press it once, it's play or pause. If we double tap it, it's skip forward. Now, if there's an incoming call, the play button will also answer your phone call. And if you hold it more than 1 second, it'll reject the phone call. You can also put the current call on hold. So after you've already picked up a call, if you press the play button again, it'll put it on hold and answer the other call coming in. And if you want to switch between held call and that, press the play button more than 2 seconds. It does say the range of the Bluetooth is 66 feet. And it does say the speaker outputs are 3 watts each. Charging time is 5 to 6 hours. Play time varies by volume level, but you can have up to 24 hours. The waterproof level is IPX5. So this is a really nice speaker that does sound very loud for how big it is. The music really does pop out of here. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.